Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel as well as in new grade, that is in grade 1. Students, do you remember in the last session what we had learned? Just try to remember what I had taught you in the last session. Yes, correct. In the last session, I had taught you about myself, that is lesson number 1 of EVS. So now try to remember what I had taught you in that lesson. Yes, we learned in the lesson about myself that how to introduce ourselves, and when we introduce ourselves, that time we introduce ourselves by describing some basic things. So what were those basic things? Yes, we mentioned our name, our age, birthday, then places where we stay, as well as our hobbies. Correct? These are the some basic points which we describe about ourselves. Okay? And afterwards we also learned that favorite things. What do you mean by favorite things? The things which we like most other than more things. They are known as favorite things. Okay? Got it? Very good. And I had also given you one homework. Yes? What was your homework? I had been told you to try to introduce yourself in front of your parents or your brother, sister. Okay? Did you try? Yes. Okay, very good. So now what we will do? We will read out some hard words from this lesson, and afterwards we will see some question answers. Okay? So now everybody open your book. Page number 169. Everybody open that page. See children, now I will make underline below some words. Similarly, you have to do the underline below that words and you have to repeat those words after me. Okay? See, this is our lesson number 1 about myself. See, do underline below this word and repeat after me. MYSELF, myself. MYSELF, myself. Next, come to the next word. Do underline below this word and repeat after me. INTRO DUC ING, introducing. INTRO DUCING, introducing. Next word is YOURSELF, yourself. YOURSELF, yourself. Come to the next word. Do underline and repeat after me. SOCI, SOCI ETY, society. SOCI ETY, society. Next word. Do underline and repeat. BIRTH DAY, birthday. BIRTH DAY, birthday. Next word. CONVENT, convent. CONVENT, convent. Next one, think this word is familiar to you. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Next word, G-R-A-D-E, grade. Once again repeat, G-R-A-D-E, grade. Now, turn the page. Page number 170. See, the next word is F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. Got it? Okay. Come down. The next word is do underline to this word and repeat after me. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Next word, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Very good. Next word, N-I-C-K, N-I-C-K, N-A-M-E, nickname. N-I-C-K, N-A-M-E, nickname. Done? Next, E-L-D-E-R, elder. E-L-D-E-R, elder. Done? Okay, very good students. Now see children, look on the next page. Everybody see here. Some question answers are here. We will solve those. Okay? See children. Question number A is fill in the blanks. See, in question number A, 3 sub questions are there, and in this question we have to fill in the blanks. Means in these blanks we have to write the correct words. Okay? See, I am going to read question first. The new girl in the society is. Who is the new girl in the society? Tell me. Yes, very good. Riya. Write here. R-I-Y-A. Riya. Already full stop is given there. So, no need to give full stop once again here. Okay. R must be capital. Okay. Next. She is dash dash years old. What's the age of Riya? Riya is 5 years old. Very good. She is, right here, F-I-V-E, 5 years old. Done? Next. She studies in dash dash. In which grade she is studying? Yes, very good. She studies in grade 1. Very good. Write it fast. Finish. Done? Now see question number B. Write yes or no. You have to write only Yes or no? Okay. Shall I read the first question? See, Riya's nickname is Shanky. Yes or no? What is Riya's nickname? Shanky or Pinky? Yes, her nickname is Pinky. So what you will write here? Yes or no? No. Very good. Right. N-O, no. See the next question. Her birthday is in April. Yes or no? Yes. Her birthday is in April. So write Y-E-S. Yes. Next. Shall I read the next question? Riya likes to sing. Yes or no? What she likes? No. She don't like to sing. Then what she likes? She likes to dance and paint. Very good. Done? Okay, come to the next question. Answer in 1 or 2 words. Here some questions are given. You have to write the answers of those questions only in 1 or 2 words. Okay? The first question is Riya a boy or a girl? Who is Riya? Is she girl or boy? Very good. She is a girl. So what you will write here? A girl. Riya is a girl. Come to the next question. What is Riya's pet cat's name? Yes, tell me. What is Riya's pet cat's name? Yes, very good. Her pet cat's name is Kitty. K-I-T-T-Y. Kitty. Done? Next question. How old is Riya's elder brother? What's the age of Riya's elder brother? Yes, he is 10 years old. So write here 10 years. T-E-N 10, Y-E-A-R-S, years. 10 years. Done? Okay. Now come to the next page. Open the next page. See, I will just explain this question. You have to solve it by yourself. Okay? See, question D, it is here. Get busy. Look at the pictures and words shown in the chart. See, on this page, one chart is given. Okay? Look at the pictures and words shown in the chart. This is a chart, and in this chart, some pictures are given. Tick the words that describe you. What you have to do? You have to tick the words. Those words describe you. Cross the words that describe your best friend. Do you have a best friend? Yes. So here you have to do the cross mark. Which word describe your best friend? Okay. I will explain one example for you. Okay. See, in the first row, pictures of eyes are given, and below that pictures, the description of that picture is given. See, the first picture is of eyes, and the eyes in the first picture are black eyes. See, in the next picture, once again the picture of eyes is here, but in this picture the color of eyes is grey. Grey eyes. These are grey eyes. And in next picture, The color of eyes is brown. So here what you have to do, you have to tick the word which describe you and you have to cross the word which describe your best friend. For example, see, I will tell about myself. See, black eyes, grey eyes and brown eyes. Now I will tick that word which describe about me. So I will tick on the word brown eyes because my eyes color is brown. So I done tick on this word. Now I will cross that word which describe about my best friend. Okay. See, my best friend eyes are black. So I will make cross mark on this word. Okay. Got it? How to do it? Very good. Similarly, like that you have to do for all the pictures. Okay. See, and afterwards you have to see what does the chart tell you. After doing all this, see, you and your friends look different and like different things, but you are still friends. Means both you and your friends look different and you like a different things, then also you are a best friends. Okay. Now come to the next page. Here also activity is given. I will tell you what to do. You complete it. Okay. Things to do. See, creating a slam book. Make your own slam book. Paste pictures of your family members and note down their birthdays and favorite things. This will help you know them better. What you have to do? You have to do one slam book, means simple notebook you can make. And in this notebook, what you have to do? You have to paste the pictures of your family members. Family members means your parents, means mother and father, your brother, your sister. If your grandparents are living with you, then you have to paste the pictures of there also. And if your uncle, auntie is there, then also paste their pictures. And in front of their picture, what you have to do? You have to write their birthdays and favorite things. So that will help you to know them better. Got it? So next, see, one more activity is given here. See, this is enrichment activity. Do you have an identity card? Do you have identity card? See children, what is meant by identity card? Identity card means a document that has a basic information about us. Now look at to me, this is my identity card. Yes, what is meant by identity card? An identity card means it is a document which has a basic information about me. Now see, this is my identity card, and on this identity card some basic information is there. Means the school where I am working, that school's name is there, my own name is there, then my designation, then class, for which class I am teaching, it is there, my blood group is there, and the contact number is there on my identity card. Similarly, you have to, what you have to do here? Fill in the details of your identity card in the tree given below. See, here one tree is given. What you have to do in this tree? You have to write your own name, then date of birth, write your birth date here, then mother's or father's name. Write either your mother's name or father's name. Okay? Then write your full address here, school name and class you have to mention here. And afterwards you have to paste your picture. Understood children? So children, as I told you before that today we have finished the lesson number 1, that is myself, and already we have solved the exercise. Okay? So you have to read all the hard words and you have to solve the question answers in a rough notebook. Okay? So we will meet in the next session. Till the next session. Bye children. Take care.